Hi guys, I am Akansha Sahgal and welcome to day 5 of VLOGMAS 2020, and finally it's the month of December. It's December 1st and it's 2 p.m. right now, and I don't need to tell you guys what I was doing since morning. Assignments. But yeah, that's how my morning goes. And I have a story for you guys. So I got a mini heart attack in the morning. What happened was after I freshen up and everything, I scrolled through my TubeBuddy app in my mobile only to see the 24 hours changes that happened in comments and views and stuff like that. So I opened that. I was scrolling through my video list, and the very first video that I have ever uploaded was not there, and my heart legit sank, and I was like, don't tell me there's something wrong with this video or something like that. And then I hopped onto my YouTube studio to check that, because that moment was such a scary thing, because that is my most viewed video, my very first video on this channel. And if by any chance you guys have not seen that yet, I'll leave a link to that as well. And it was really very like, what did just happen kind of a feeling. But when I hopped onto my YouTube studio, the video was there, and it was like rahat ki saans. It was like, I cannot express the horror that I got at that point of time when the video was not showing up on my TubeBuddy. I don't know for what reasons, but yeah, that was the highlight of my morning today. And now I have to first work on my thank you notes and some discount coupons for my business, and then after that I have to make some posts for my business page. And then for the Christmas thing, I have some home decor kind of ideas for you guys today, and I'll share that with you guys. And yeah, first things first, I'll work on my discount coupons, my thank you notes, and then I'll start working on the Instagram posts. So for all of you who are new here and don't know about it, I have my own business related to handmade and personalized products, which can be used as gifting options, home decor, stationery, and so on. And I was working on the thank you notes and discount coupons for that itself. And yeah, now I am going to start working on my posts for my business handle, because I'll be coming up with some offers and discounts for the month of December, since it's a festival month. So yeah, I have to work on that, those posts, and I'll start working on that, and then I'll come back to you guys. So I am done working on my posts for Instagram, and I thought I'll show it to you guys in the video itself, because by the time you're watching this video, this particular post is already up on my page, and you want to avail these offers, make sure you're checking out my page, and I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. But yeah, I usually use Canva or PixArt or a mix of both to make my posts for all my social media platforms. And now I'll just take a break for some time and then we'll hop on to our Christmas DIYs. So in today's video we are going to make some tabletop trees, Christmas trees basically, and I'll show you 3 different ways in which you can make these. So for the first idea I have some doilies here with me. I have 3 of them. You can use more if you want. And what I'll do is I'll just find the center point once. And then I'll just cut out a triangle here. Because we have to make cones from this. So I use this as a template and cut out triangles from the other 2 as well. So I have 3 of my circles or doilies cut out, and I'll just simply now overlap these 2 ends to make a cone out of it, like so. So I'll just grab my Fevicol, apply a bit of it here, and I'll just overlap this like so. And I'll do the same with the other 2 as well. Now my 3 cones are ready and I have snipped 2 of them like so. And I'll grab a piece of straw. You can also take a dowel and you just need to pass it through the straw like so. Now I'll just grab a piece of clear tape and I'll attach it. I'll attach the doily to the straw with the help of the tape just to keep it in place. Then I'll take the other piece of doily, pass it through the straw and I'll attach it a bit over the first one like so. And for the last one I'll just see how much height I need and I'll trim off a bit of the straw, and it looks perfect now. And for the top part I'll just use a piece of double-sided tape and our doily Christmas tree is ready. For the next idea, I'm taking a green square sheet and I'll make a cone out of it, and I'll roll it like so to make a cone out of it. Now I'll just cut this bottom part out to make it in a cone shape. So that it can stand like so. And now I am grabbing a piece of green paper again and I am cutting some strips out of it. I am cutting approximately 1 inch in width. I'll cut these out. And what you have to do is take one of your strips, fold it into half, and just cut it by leaving a bit of a margin at the top. Once you are done with this, open it and cut it in the middle as well. Use your scissors to give a curl to the frills. And the side that is curled out, make sure you're placing that on the outside. Once you've pasted your first layer, just overlap the second layer and paste it like so, and continue this till the top. So I am almost done with this. I have just overlapped the sheets like so, and you can shorten the length of the strips according to your requirement, because as you go up the length required will reduce, so you need to trim that off. And a second Christmas tree is also ready. For the last idea, I have again made a cone from a green sheet of paper, and this time I'll be taking some feathers here with me. You can take white or brown, any color of feathers that you like. I'm going with green only, and I'll simply cover this tree with these feathers like this. So I'll just start applying a bit of a Fevicol here, and I'll just start pasting the feathers like so. Don't paste Fevicol on the bottom part, otherwise the look of this will not come, the flowy look that we want. And I'll keep on covering this till the top. Once it's completely dry, it will look something like this, and our third Christmas tree is also ready. So this was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And also, those of you who are new to my Vlogmas series, there is a giveaway going on, and all the details about that is in my day one video. So make sure you're checking that out. And do let me know in the comment section below which idea was your favorite. And also, if you have any particular DIYs that you want me to do in my upcoming videos, do let me know about them. And yes, this was pretty much it for today. Now I'll go and edit this video for you guys so that it can go live tomorrow. And yes, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye.